Today, CMAA has a capacity exceeding 10 million tons for a company that is just over 10 years old.
Because CMAA produces not only sugar from sugarcane, but ethanol is a central component of Brazil's energy matrix.
We were already doing some kind of data driving within the industry, but a latent need arose for us to have an application for the industry, and we could only achieve that with low code. So we started analyzing which tool would be the most suitable for us, and the only one that met all our expectations, that met all our requirements, was Mendix.
Initially seeking an update to online dashboards, we later saw all the possibilities we could develop from it, and it turned into an ecosystem for us.
One of the things we call an invisible cost is time, right? So each new development, each new need took a long time. The demand was very high to get it out.
Before Maria, I had to call the lab to get the information. And many times I couldn't get through to the lab because of noise or the information wasn't clear.
Today, Maria is an ecosystem, encompassing the areas of production, industrial quality, maintenance, and also HSE, health, safety, and environment.
Mendix's integration capabilities were a key point. With them, we were able to break down all data silos and truly interact with the systems, writing and reading lab data from legacy systems like SAP in a simple and user-specific way.
Maria also integrates with SAP, and the interlocking application with integrated AI is also used in internal communication. Soon, we will expand Maria to the finance, contract management, and materials and services master data management departments.
Today, in the industry, we have a very robust stack. We have redundant servers in each unit, and we have PCS7 on the factory floor. We also have very robust instrumentation, featuring Siemens technology.
Today, in the Maria ecosystem, we have approximately 250 users, and with the incorporation of the other areas, we intend to expand to more than 600 users soon.
Since we had a lot of data within Maria, we started breaking down the data silos within the company. We needed an engine to process all this data, an engine to generate value from it. So we used AI to process this data and deliver it to the end user. And with Mendix, it was very easy to do this. We were able to connect our data with a very simple and secure LLM API.
Maria helped break down the wall that existed between IT and operations. This made it much easier for him to be present on the factory floor, but not disconnected from CMAA's core system.
The main milestones of this project, the first one we understand to be the connection of factory floor data from PLC to Mendix to the system. The second was the issue of time, the agility to have the first application. So from the moment the contract was signed to the application, it took about 2 months.
With Maria's arrival, I have the information I need when I need it. I can access the analysis histories, and that has made our daily work much easier.
I think the most positive impact we've had has been online management, let's say. Taking action on process deviations, on maintenance deviations, is very quick. And this has helped us improve our industrial availability and also maintain our industrial efficiency within the fluctuations in raw materials that we have.
CMAA is a company whose vocation is growth. This growth is only possible when you have good partners. A good example of this is Siemens and Mendix, which was fundamental in this project with us. They brought quality information and quick responses.
The CMAA case is a very emphatic example of how low-code and Mendix can deliver both collaboration and enterprise application development, uniting information that is often on the factory floor with information that is in the technology department, creating a unique ecosystem with all the security, governance, and control of the technology team.